And if you're interested in going to Iowa's birthday bash, you might need a coat, maybe a beanie, a hat. What else do they need out there, David?
Yeah, definitely a light jacket out there today. Temperatures mild for December, but we're still talking 40s, so it's not exactly warm. It is above our average high of 33 degrees, so a little bit of good news there. We're still dealing with foggy conditions, as you can see, but you get down here at the ground, you're driving around, the fog's not too bad. We just can't see the downtown skyline for the moment. The fog is beginning to lift, and I do think as we get toward the lunch hour, that fog should thin out, but probably looking at gray skies here for most of the day. Thankfully, temperatures, again, not bad for this time of year. Tomorrow, all of that's going to change, and in a big hurry. You head out the door tomorrow morning heading off to church. Temperature is still pretty mild in the 40s. Doesn't feel all that bad, but take the heavy jacket with you, because within a matter of hours, we're going to go from the 40s down into the 20s. You can see by noon, we're down to 28 degrees here in the metro, already into the teens across northwestern Iowa, and then that cold air continues to pour across the state all day tomorrow. By the later afternoon hours, we're looking at 20s and teens, and we continue to fall off into the single digits by tomorrow evening across northern Iowa. That's going to come with some wind as well, so that means the wind chills are going to be even colder than what you're seeing out there. And that is also coming with a chance for some snow along with windy conditions. That could mean blowing snow across parts of the state. So thankfully today, not dealing with that. It is warm enough that where we have wet conditions, the roads, again, are just wet with that fog out there. 42 degrees right now here in Des Moines, 41 in Ames, 43 Sheridan, 43 in Centerville. That warmer air is trying to slowly nudge its way northward, so we still have some 30s across northern and eastern Iowa. We should see that slowly warm up here throughout the day. Still a lot of fog, but we have seen some improvement across the western portion of Iowa. That fog lifting out towards Sioux City. That trend should work its way across the state here throughout the day, but it's going to take some time. You can see the fog is still very thick out in Creston right now. Pella can't see much past that windmill because of the fog. In Marshalltown, can't even make out the county courthouse anymore because of the fog right now, so that fog remains thick. That dense fog advisory in place here through noon. Should see improvement this afternoon, but then we're talking about winter weather. That winter storm watch here for northern Iowa, Algona over to Mason City. That's for the potential blizzard conditions by tomorrow evening. So for the rest of today, cloudy, some fog, maybe a peak of sunshine later today, but expect more clouds than sun out there today. Temperatures slowly working their way into the upper 40s to around 50 here in the metro. Warm as you head to the southwest corner of the state. 40s for northern and eastern Iowa here this afternoon. Dry aside from the fog and mist out there, so not any measurable rainfall here today. Tonight we see rain begin to push in as our storm system starts to work its way our direction. So likely some wet weather to start off your Sunday, but that quickly changes over to a wintry mix and then to snow as we head toward the lunch hour as that colder air plunges on in. And looking at a couple of inches accumulation, especially across northern and northeastern parts of Iowa. That's where we'll see some of those heavier totals. Algona, Fort Dodge, Iowa Falls up to Mason City. An inch or so here in the metro, but that's not the main concern. The main concern will be the winds. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour here throughout your Sunday. You combine that with even just a little bit of snow. You look at that wind gust, Mason City 47, 49 miles an hour. Iowa Falls 45 miles an hour. In Algona, doesn't take much to cause whiteout conditions. That's why that winter storm watch is in place off to the north. We could see some tricky travel conditions even here in the metro with those gusty winds and temperatures falling all day long. Cold on Monday, 8 in the morning, 19 in the afternoon, and then a chilly start to the new year on Thursday.